Hello friends, today I came with unboxing to fakir kaave mono coffee maker. As you see, it's made in Turkish, okay, and it have 4 color. I buy the white one. Okay, let's see the unboxing and review. Hello friends, today I came with unboxing for fakir kaave mono coffee maker. It's made in Turkish and it have like 4 color, as you see: red, white, purple and pink. I have the white one, so let's see what it have. First of all, it have manual and 1 year guarantee. Okay, the manual, you know, information about the product itself. It came also with major cup for 1 cup, look like this, and this is the machine itself. Here on and off button here, and the kettle is here, as you see, and here is the measure, minimum and maximum. Okay, and okay, insert inside, see the voice like that, and the yard is attachment. So let's review.